Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix goals game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue, black screen issue on Xbox consoles, whether you're playing the game on Xbox S series or X series. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all the 4 steps, then you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. Now the first step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear goals cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for goals game and highlight it, then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then click on restart. And after following all 4 steps, now you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Now select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the problem and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch the goals game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5 and then continue. Then restart your console and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then select the port one by one and see which one worked for you. Fix 4 is to run goals from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type goals in the search bar and then click on it and then click on launch game and see if that helps or not. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS, then save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Now this is the last solution, that is a reinstall goals game. So if nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall goals from your Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve goals game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.